In this video, I'll show you how to build and publish a professional client portal using the Base44 platform. Let's get started. On the main dashboard, I'll start by describing the app I want to create. I'm typing in a prompt for a premium B2B client portal layout, including a user authentication gate, a project status timeline, and a support ticket submission area. Once I'm happy with the description, I'll hit send. The AI begins building the idea immediately. You can see the progress on the left sidebar as it generates the essential components. It's currently setting up the navigation layout, the dashboard page with quick stats, and the support page for ticket submissions. It even handles the back-end technicalities like writing the entities for projects and support tickets and configuring the styling with Tailwind. The result is a sophisticated, Navy-accented B2B client services app that is fully functional and responsive right out of the gate. With the app generated, I'll click on Publish in the top right corner. I'll set the visibility to Public and click Publish App. Just like that, the app is live. I'll copy the unique URL provided and open it in a new tab to see the final product. Once inside, we can see the polished dashboard. It features a clean overview of total projects, active engagements, and open tickets. The project timeline looks great, displaying clear progress bars for tasks like website redesign and mobile app development, complete with status indicators from discovery to completion. I can easily toggle between the project's view to track active engagements and the support page. The support section allows users to submit new tickets with priority levels and categories while also displaying a history of recent tickets and their current status. This portal provides a seamless professional experience for managing client relationships efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.